Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. This is Aditi, and welcome to the daily tarot messages for the day. I've already shuffled the cards, and let's see what is in store for us. All right, we have Six of Wands, we have the Knight of Swords, and we have the Emperor. All right, so this is a very interesting energy here. The cards can be read in multiple ways because this is in general energy, right? So for some of y'all, the message for you here is that there is victory at the end of the day for you regarding something, right? There is a project or there is something that you're working towards or you're working for, and be rest assured that you will be victorious towards it. uh, this is something which is going to need some sort of a courage from your side, a lot of discipline that you've been putting into something, lot of efforts and experience, an episode or a project which needed a lot of focus, a lot of courage, a lot of efforts from your side, but you behaved in a very disciplined manner, you worked through this very diligently, and there is going to be success at the end of the day. The other message here that is coming to me is that for some of y'all, you could be caught in some sort of an ego battle or an ego hassle, and like ego uh, ego issues with somebody. I'm sorry, there's so much noise outside, it just distracts me from the reading, but there is an energy of somebody trying to control you, somebody trying to manipulate you, just so that they look good, in the sense that you could be caught up in some sort of fight, an argument, or a situationship either with your partner at work or with a family member, where this person is trying to exert pressure on you to do something, maybe manipulate element of lies as well, just so that they come out looking like a winner or they come out looking like the good person in the situation, right? So the advice for you here is, in case you are in a situation like this, what you need to do is be a little cautious. You need to set healthy boundaries. Don't give in to this person, don't let this person play you. Stick by the truth, and in case you need to say things to bring out the truth, please do that. Don't be afraid of this person, don't get pressurized by this person, because this person is going to try in unhealthy ways to come out victorious, even if it means that you're going to end up looking like the bad person. So just be a little wary or cautious of that. All right, so let's see any one message for you for today. We have the Crow here. Universal love and truths are now being revealed. Use this energy to create your reality. This is a very nice message, right? There are going to be some truths that are going to be revealed to you, and based on this truth you will have to create maybe a new reality for yourself, and please be open for that. Let's now see one message from the video got cut. Think of a person and let's see the messages that they want to give you for today. All right. I have this deep sensual bond with you. Our relationship has the potential of deep love, passion, growth, and abundance. The Empress. This is really beautiful energy. I'm going to read that again for you. I feel this deep sensual bond with you. Our relationship has the potential for deep love, passion, growth, and abundance. This is all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.